Imagine clutching a 2100-year-old clay head, so ordinary on the outside, yet hiding a bizarre secret within. This seemingly mundane artifact, initially discovered amid the remnants of an ancient civilization, was not unlike the myriad of similar findings that have been unearthed over the years. These clay heads, often crafted in the likeness of humans, were common across many cultures and eras, typically serving as funeral effigies, religious idols, or simply objects of artistic expression. But this particular clay head was different. Within its hollow interior, archaeologists made an unexpected discovery: a ram's skull, perfectly preserved and encased within the clay. This startling revelation immediately stimulated a flood of questions. Why was this skull hidden inside? What did a ram's skull symbolize to the people who created this artifact? What could the ancient people possibly be thinking when they created this perplexing artifact? The quest to unravel the enigma of the mysterious clay head had just begun. As the sun set over the ancient city of Jerusalem, an archaeologist stumbled upon something extraordinary. In the heart of this city, steeped in history and mystery, an excavation was underway. Amidst the dust and rubble of centuries past, a curious object was unearthed. At first glance, it appeared to be nothing more than a well-preserved clay head, a common find in these parts, where human settlements date back over 5,000 years. But this artifact had something remarkable in store. As the archaeologist gently brushed away the centuries-old dirt, the clay head began to reveal its secrets. Hidden within its hollow interior was something completely unexpected: a ram's skull. The discovery was as startling as it was intriguing. This was far from an ordinary artifact. It was a relic from a time long past, holding a secret within its earthen shell. The clay head was traced back to the Hellenistic period, a time when Greek culture was spreading across the Middle East. This was around 2,100 years ago, a time of profound cultural exchange and transformation. The clay head, with its hidden contents, was a relic from this fascinating era, a tangible link to the people who lived, loved, and dreamed in this ancient city. The discovery of the ram's skull inside the clay head raised a host of intriguing questions. Why was the skull placed inside the clay head? What was its purpose? Was it a symbol of religious significance, a token of power, or something else entirely? These questions added a layer of mystery and intrigue to the artifact, making it more than just a relic from the past. It was a puzzle, a riddle from antiquity, waiting to be solved. As the archaeologist held the clay head in his hands, he could not help but marvel at its enigmatic nature. He knew he had stumbled upon something extraordinary, a piece of history that held untold stories and secrets. He was eager to delve deeper, to uncover the mysteries hidden within this ancient artifact. This was no ordinary find. It was a riddle wrapped in clay, a secret waiting to be unveiled. The clay head, now an enigma, demanded a thorough study. It was an invitation to embark on a journey, a quest to unravel the secrets held within its unassuming form. The task was not simple, as the head was more than 2 millennia old, and any careless handling could risk damaging it. But in the age of technological advancements, archaeologists were not left unarmed. They turned to modern marvels like CT scans, a technology usually associated with medical diagnostics. This non-invasive technique allowed researchers to peer into the depths of the clay head, revealing its inner structure without causing any harm to the artifact. What they saw was nothing short of astonishing: a ram's skull, perfectly preserved, nested within the clay. This discovery led to a flurry of initial theories and interpretations. Some archaeologists suggested it was a religious artifact, given the symbolic importance of rams in several ancient cultures. They were often seen as symbols of leadership, strength, and sacrifice. Thus, the clay head could have been an object of worship or an offering to a deity. On the other hand, historians proposed a different interpretation. They argued that the clay head might have been a form of ancient storytelling, a physical representation of a myth or legend. The ram could be a character or a symbol in a story that was significant to the culture that created the artifact. However, these were just the initial theories. Each interpretation raised more questions than it answered. Was the clay head made by a skilled artisan or a devoted worshipper? Was it used in a public ceremony or kept in a private shrine? Was it a common object or a rare treasure? Each question was a new puzzle piece waiting to be placed in the grand picture of the past. The clay head, a silent storyteller, began to whisper its secrets, but the complete story was yet to unfold. Every question led to another. Every answer opened a new path of inquiry. The study was just beginning, and the clay head was ready to reveal more of its ancient secrets. With every layer of clay peeling back, a new revelation emerged. The study of this ancient artifact brought forth a flurry of insights, each one deeper and more intriguing than the last. The ram's skull concealed within the clay head was not a random choice. In fact, it was a deliberate and symbolic choice, a testament to the beliefs and customs of the ancient people who crafted it. Our journey into the past reveals that the ram had significant cultural and religious connotations in many ancient societies. The ram was often associated with power, determination, and leadership. Furthermore, it was seen as a symbol of sacrifice and was a common feature in religious rituals. Thus, the ram's skull hidden within the clay head might have been an integral part of a significant ritual or ceremony. Alternatively, the ram might have been a totem or a spiritual symbol for the people who created this artifact. Totem animals were believed to guide and protect individuals or tribes, and the choice of the ram could suggest a society that valued the characteristics associated with this animal. The clay head itself, a human form, suggests a deep connection between the human and the animal world. This connection was not uncommon in ancient societies where animals were often revered and worshipped. The human clay head with the ram's skull within could be seen as a manifestation of this belief, a tangible representation of the intertwined relationship between man and nature. However, these are just theories. The truth of the exact purpose and significance of this artifact remains shrouded in mystery. Yet the possibilities are tantalizing, aren't they? They offer us a glimpse into the minds of our ancient ancestors, their beliefs, and their way of life. The clay head, once a mystery, now serves as a fascinating link to our shared human past. Each revelation, each theory, brings us one step closer to understanding our roots. And isn't that the true allure of history? Its ability to reach out from the past and touch us, to remind us of our shared human journey. The 2,100-year-old clay head, a simple artifact, concealed an extraordinary secret. This humble piece of pottery has taken us on a remarkable journey through history, unearthing a story that has kept us on the edge of our seats. We've explored its origins, delving into the depths of the past to discover where and when it was created. We've studied it, analyzed it, and scrutinized every intricate detail to unlock its mysteries. And the revelations have been nothing short of fascinating. The hidden ram's skull, a symbol of power and strength, has raised intriguing questions about the beliefs and practices of our ancestors. Our quest for knowledge doesn't end here. The clay head, like many other artifacts, is a testament to the complexity and diversity of our shared human heritage. As we continue to delve into the mysteries of our past, we are reminded of the rich tapestry of human history that continues to surprise and intrigue us.